So here is how you can find every single one of your saved videos in your Instagram account. This is actually a really easy and simple thing to do, but make sure that you watch this entire video so you don't miss out on any steps. So the very first thing that we actually want to do is go ahead and go into your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, and then you want to type in Instagram. From here, you want to click on Instagram and then click on the update button, so that way your Instagram is completely updated to the latest version. Otherwise, you won't be able to follow this tutorial. So mine only says uninstall and open, and if that says for you as well, that means that it is already updated to the latest version. So we can just go ahead and click on open from here. Now, once you have your Instagram account open, you want to click on your profile picture on the bottom right hand corner, and that's going to lead you to your profile page. What I'm going to do is actually go ahead and go into Reels, and I'm going to go ahead and save this video right over here. Remember this video. So if we want to access that video that we saved, go ahead and click on your profile picture on the bottom right hand corner, which is going to lead over to your profile page. Now from here, you want to click on the three bars on the top right hand corner. And then now there's going to be a list of options that show up. And then here at the fifth option down, it says saved. So go ahead and click on that. And then now you're going to get a list of every single video that you have pressed on that save button. So if you go ahead and click on that list, right over here, this is the very first video. And see, this is the latest video that we just recently saved. And you can see all of your saved videos in this section right over here. And simply, I'm just going to go ahead and unsave this because reasons.